Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Do Something Every Day. This videos I'm making is a diary to my kids. Tonight we are going to be deep priming and resizing some 270 and 308 casings. So here you can see some of the 270 casings. These are Norma casings. And over here I've got a mix of 308 casings. That one just states D. There's some Norma and Saku. So this is a Saku casing that will be depriming and resizing for a new load development I have to do for both the 308 and 270 rifles. So first steps is going to be, I'm going to quickly deprime and resize all these casings. I'll be using my Imperial Resizing die wax, and there we go, Imperial Resizing die wax. Just want to get it in here so I can actually see what it shows. There we go. And after the resizing and depriming, I'm gonna dump them all into my wet tumbler, where I've got a whole bunch of glass beads, 1mm sized glass beads with some sonic cleaning liquid that I made up or mixed, and run it throughout the night. Then I'll in the next video show the results. So I think the best time is, let's get started with some resizing. So let's start with the 270 case. I'm using here my layman press with my RCBS die for 270, and I've got a Lee resizing die, full length resizing die that we'll be using for the 308 casings. And as I pack them in, after sizing them, I just turn them upside down so I can actually see my progress, which ones is done, which one's not. As you'll see, I'm just putting on a little bit of sizing wax on each case. It goes quite the distance. And as I resized, I just inspect the cases for any cracks, any misformities, anything like that, as I go through each of them. Just a little bit of wax on the outside. So I think the next part is going to be quite repetitive, so for you guys it should be quite fast. I'll speed up the video over here just so you can see a quick run through of all the casings as I resize them. Okay, so that was now all of the 270 casings. So now I'm gonna just change the turret to the 308 sizing die. So all was already set up previously. Now I'm just gonna keep on going through the motions of resizing all the 308 casings. So this one, for instance, is a PPU casing. Sizing loop all the way around. Same principle, also turn them upside down so you can see which one's done. I see a couple of casings that I have here was already sized and deprimed, but I'm just going to resize them just in case to make sure that they were actually resized and not just deprimed. And that's the last one of them. So that means I think it's probably about 15 to 20 minutes. We resized close to 100, I think it's about 95 casings. So let's jump over to the tumbler. I'm just quickly gonna put you guys on hold as I quickly get the tumbler out and just get the liquids close to somewhere where you can actually see it. Okay, so this is my tumbler base. This is just a plastic container with the glass beads. You'll see there's thousands of these little small glass beads inside of a sonic cleaning liquid. So just to show you some of the glass beads. So transparent and very tiny. Okay, so now I'm just gonna dump my casings in there. I'm probably not gonna be able to get everything in there, but let's see how much goes through before they start struggling. Okay, let's let it run with these first and see if they can shake down. Everything still works. So how this wonderful little tumbler of mine works, I've got these sticky Velcro strip type strips. Just holds on to the canister like so. Then the last step is just to plug it in. And there it runs. Now I'm just gonna quickly let it run for about 5 minutes, make sure that all the casings actually submerges into the glass beads, and then I'll see if I can add some 308 casings in between there as well. Okay, let's add some more casings and see what it does. Okay, this time I'm just going to give it a little bit of shake to help the process of getting the glass beads in between. I spilled some liquid there, that should be still fine. Strap it down. Let's start it up. Okay, I think that's it for tonight. Join for the next video to see what these casings came out as and the next steps in the process of developing 2 new loads. Thanks very much everybody. Good night.